Hey guys, Michael here at MK Custom Concrete. About to get a pond done today. Gonna look awesome. Of course, they didn't bring us our concrete how we like it. Surprise, surprise. But you know, we're professionals. We make anything work. Now remember, everything we do is formless. No forms, handcrafted everything. Main tool we use is that shovel right there you see. If you didn't bring your shovel, well, you probably ain't working today. They're gonna get it nice and smooth, ready for stamp, ready for some carving. Now we were here till about 10 o'clock at night, if you can believe that. Concrete was so wet. This pond turned out absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful colors. Awesome, guys. Follow us for more.